Master English from class 9th standard, here to command this assembly. So, classes studies, attention. Studies, attention. So, enlighten you with peace. So now I would like to call my friends for Hanuman Chalisa.
सब पर राम तप
राम लखन सीता सहित हृदय बसो सुरपुर। सियावर रामचंद्र की जय। पवन सुत हनुमान की जय। Every thought can change our whole day. So now I would like to call my friend Dikshit.
Honorable Chairman, sir, respected principal ma'am, and teaching or non-teaching staff of Uttarayan Academy, and my dear friends. First of all, a charming and auspicious good morning to all of you. This is me, Dikshit Chaudhila, standing in front of you to deliver today's thought. So the thought is like that. Education is the norm. Education gives knowledge. Knowledge gives confidence. Confidence lets us to the success. I repeat my thought. Education gives knowledge. Knowledge gives confidence. Confidence lets us to the success. In Hindi, शिक्षा हमें ज्ञान देती है, ज्ञान हमें आत्मविश्वास देता है, आत्मविश्वास हमें सफलता तक पहुंचाता है। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Now I would like to call our school rising star Rishabh Shah for his poem.
First of all, coming good morning. My name is Sonja Atas Kitty to the my Hindi poem. Aluma Tarti Jindava, तुम न हो गई अदत अत्ता ताइना खाना बनता रहा लोगी डोरी पाला खाता खाता पर उनके साथ my English poem one tea flower one tea tree one tea bluebird high and the tree one tea brown penny and thank you and I did.
What is the meaning of songs? To know about that, so now I would like to call my friend Divans for his.
बैठानी कक्षा में को छात्र आज आप सबके सामने हिंदुस्तान के कुछ प्रमुख समाचार प्रस्तुत करना चाहता हूँ। कुछ इस प्रकार है। एक पेड़ माँ के नाम अब जन आंदोलन बना था। गुजरात अहमदाबाद ऐसे केंद्रीय गृह मंत्री अमित शाह ने रविवार को कहा कि भारत में हरियाली बढ़ाने के उद्देश्य से शुरू किया गया एक पेड़ माँ के नाम अभियान जन आंदोलन बन चुका है। उन्होंने कहा कि यह भावी पीढ़ियों के लिए पृथ्वी को रहने योग्य बनाए रखने की दृष्टि से बेहद महत्वपूर्ण है। शाह ने अहमदाबाद नगर निगम के पौधरोपण कार्यक्रम और विकास परियोजनाओं की शुरुआत करते हुए कहा कि 2029 तक अपने संसदीय क्षेत्र गांधीनगर में हरित आवरण 20% बढ़ाने के लिए प्रतिबद्ध है। प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने भारत का हरित आवरण बढ़ाने के लिए एक पेड़ माँ के नाम पहल शुरू की थी। शाह ने कहा कि केंद्रीय अर्धसैनिकी बलों से 7 वर्ष में 7 करोड़ पेड़ लगाने का लक्ष्य शनिवार को पूरा किया। यह भी बताया कि 2 दिन पहले दिल्ली क्षेत्र में 40 लाख पेड़ लगाए गए। शाह ने कहा कि यह पेड़ स्थायी पर्यावरण में अनुकूल है। इनका जीवन काल कम से कम 100 वर्ष है। उन्होंने कहा गांधीनगर लोकसभा क्षेत्र में पहले 12 ऑक्सीजन पार्क थे। रविवार को 61 नए ऑक्सीजन पार्क का उद्घाटन किया गया जिससे इनकी कुल संख्या 70 होगी। अहमदाबाद नगर निगम ने एक ही दिन 101 ऑक्सीजन पार्क का उद्घाटन किया। नमस्कार। अब मैं अपने समाचार को यहीं समाप्त करता हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Words are not only the thoughts which are delivered in a vehicle, they are the part of thinking. So now I would like to call Bhumika to tell you about a particular topic.
Empathy is about finding echoes of another person in yourself. With these lines by Mohsin Hamid, wishing a pleasant morning to Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, all the dedicated teachers and all my dear schoolmates. This is Bhumika of Class 9. Once again standing before you all to reflect upon a virtue that has the power to transform lives. and that's empathy. Empathy is the ability to understand and share feelings of another person's. It is more than feeling sorry for someone. It is the willingness to understand, to see the world through another person's eyes and understand their emotions without judging them. In today's fast-paced world, where everyone is busy with their own lives, empathy has become more important than ever. Empathy strengthens relationships, reduces misunderstandings, and creates a more peaceful and supportive environment. It teaches us to respect differences, appreciate diversity, and treat everyone with dignity and kindness. As the famous saying goes, people will forget what you did, people will forget what you said, but people will never forget how you made them feel. These lines remind us that our respect and understanding leaves a lasting impact. Kindness begins with understanding, and understanding begins with empathy. When we choose empathy, we doesn't change anyone's day. We help change the world. A world full of empathetic persons is the world full of respect, compassion, and dignity. Us, a kind word to a friend, or listening patiently to someone, or helping someone without expecting something in return are all the acts of empathy. These small actions have the power to make big differences. At the end of my article, I want to ask some questions, and my first question is, what is empathy? Yes, empathy is the ability to understand and share feeling of another person's and understanding their emotions without judging them. And my next question is, what is its Hindi meaning? Yes, it can be said, किसी के प्रति दया दिखाना. And my next question is, give some examples of empathy in your daily life. Sharing your emotions and your happiness with another and helping someone without expecting something in return. Thank you. Have a nice day.
More questions, then answers. So now I will have the question number 3 question.
Decisions without actions are worthless. With this quotation, good morning to Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, all the hardworking teachers and my dear friends. This is me, Jyotsna Napola from 9th standard, and today I am standing here in front of you to ask you some GK questions. And my GK question topic is famous scientists and their discoveries. So my first question is, who formulated the laws of motion and the law of universal gravitation? Yes, the correct answer is Isaac Newton. And my next question is, which famous scientist developed the theory of relativity? Yes, the correct answer is Albert Einstein. And my next question is, who developed the first vaccine which was prepared as a protection from smallpox? Yes, the correct answer is Edward Jenner. And my next question is, which Indian physicist won the Nobel Prize in Physics for his discovery of scattering of light? Yes, the correct answer is C.V. Raman. And my next question is, who discovered the first antibiotic penicillin and when? Yes, the correct answer is Alexander Fleming in 1928. And my next question is, who developed the theory of evolution by natural selection? I repeat my question once again. Who developed the theory of evolution by natural selection? The correct answer is Charles Darwin. And the next question is, who discovered the process of pasteurization, which kills the harmful bacteria in milk and wine? Yes, the correct answer is Louis Pasteur. And my next question is, who discovered the electromagnetic induction leading to the invention of electric motor and generator? I repeat my question once again. Who discovered the electromagnetic induction leading to the invention of electric motor and generator? Yes, the correct answer is Michael Faraday. And my last question is, who discovered the radioactive elements radium and polonium? Yes, the correct answer is Marie Curie. Thank you and have a nice day.
I would like to call to show devotion and respect towards our country. Now I would like to call Devashish for his speech.
Morning to Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, all the staff members of Uttarayan Academy and my dear friends. Today, this is me, Devashish Bish, behalf of class 9, standing in front of you to say the pledge. So classes, get ready for pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its teachers and heritage. I should always try to be a lawyer and worthy citizen of it. I sincere respect to my parents, teachers, and elders. I sincere kindness to animals, to my country, and my people. I pledge my devotion in their happiness and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. May God give a countryman peace and prosperity. जय हिंद, भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की. Thank you very much.
Yes, all of you raise your hands, everyone. Today is the Monday. Yes, monitors, take your position, take your seat. Where's the belt?
Yes.